Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries Fire Sign. This is weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aries, what are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for you and what's going on? So I think you don't want to accept this cup of love which is offering by your person. Maybe you're feeling sad for this, but you want to move on from this person, but they're coming back and you want this happiness. You want to free yourself from this relationship. For some third party situation also involved, children's also involved in this connection. So there is something missed opportunity. So let's see, you're reading recent past, Knight of Cups, the world with the death. So you want to end things with this person, and there are some cycles going to be end between both of you. For some it could be long distance relationship. The world card with death, definitely you want end things with this person and you decided to move on, but they decided to come back. See, Knight of Cups energy, past, they already decided to come back. Maybe it is slow moving energy, that's why. Then present, Four of Wands, Six of Swords and the Lovers. So they are coming back to fix the things between both of you, and Four of Wands energy is here. They want this happiness with you, this celebration with you, but you decided to move on from this person. You want to move towards calm water, but there is love between both of you. You also feeling sad for this, but something happening between you and your person, that's why you decided to move on from this person. But they're coming back with an apology, because Page of Pentacles with Page of Cups, apology, communication is coming. Maybe your person is immature, maybe they hurt you in past, now they realize their mistake, now they're coming back with an apology. Aries, it's up to you. Decision is totally in your hands, because Two of Swords, you are in this energy. So you don't know which decision you have to make. You are at some crossroads. You have to make the decision, but you don't know which decision you have to make. So they are coming back with an apology. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign, especially Gemini, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Scorpio, then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you, then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So let's see your person feelings towards you. Under the deck, Three of Cups, they want reconciliation. Aries, your person feelings towards you. See, they realize their mistake now. Now they're ready to work on this relationship. Three of Pentacles energy, they want to come back. They're feeling sad, they're feeling alone without you, because Five of Cups with Five of Pentacles. Maybe in past they treated you as an option. Now they realize your worth. Now they really want to work on this relationship. Three of Pentacles energy is here. And under the deck, Two of Cups, maybe they realize you are their soulmate. So maybe this love is mutual, even though it is difficult for you, but you have to do. Maybe you, for some you decided to move on, for some you are at some crossroads. It depends, because everyone's situation is different from others, but they really want to work on this relationship. They realize you both. So let's see their actions towards you. See, Ten of Pentacles, Aries, your person actions. the Sun, Hanged Man, Four of Cups. Yeah, they're feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you, and you are their happiness. They realize you both. They're stuck on you. They're thinking about you a lot. And Ten of Pentacles with the Sun card. They want you back, and they really want reconciliation with you, and they want to take this relationship to next level, because Three of Pentacles with Sun card. Maybe this time they are very serious about you, Aries. They're stuck on you. They're thinking about you. They're missing all the time. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And here the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. See, Queen of Cups. They have strong emotions for you. And the Lovers. Yeah, there is love. Now they realized, yeah, the Star. So the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio, Aquarius, sorry. So they have strong emotions for you. There is love, and they're coming back, and they are thinking about you 24/7. And you also missing them a lot. Nine of Swords energy and Three of Wands. Even though you turn your back from your person, you still waiting for them. There is a lot of waiting game between both of you. Yeah, you may be waiting for them to reach out. Yeah, they're coming back. They are also stuck on you. They are thinking about you. They're missing. Yeah, you decided to walk away from this connection, but you are missing them. They are missing you. Yeah, I think this connection is stuck right now, but there is a lot of passion, there is a lot of attraction between both of you, but there is stuckness because waiting game is going between both of you. You may be waiting for them to reach out, maybe they are waiting for you to reach out, but they're missing you. They're thinking about you a lot right now, and you are their happiness. They're stuck on you. There is a lot of stuck energies here. You also feeling stuck. You both are feeling stuck because this is a mutual energy, but you both are very attracted to each other. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Aries. Page of Wands, communication is coming, apology. They will make a move because Page of Cups and Page of Pentacles is there. There is communication is coming, and you maybe they are manifesting you back. But in past, there is no trust between both of you. One person is sneaky, maybe it's your person. They played games with you in past. That's why you decided to move on. But they're coming back. They realized their mistake. Now, maybe they're very serious about you this time. So let's see your person overall energy for the week, Aries. Yeah, apologies coming, lot of drama and communication, and they're thinking about you a lot, and they want success in this connection. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. I feel so alone. Yes, they feel so alone. Options for some. One person in this connection. New love is coming. For some, new love is coming. For some, new reunion is coming. But everything is in your hand. A lot of abundance is coming, holding back for some. I think it's you. So the messages are reunion is coming, options, lot of abundance is coming. I am feeling so alone, new love is coming. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Aries. You are good enough. Full moon in Virgo. If you are feeling that you are not good enough, that is not correct, you are good enough. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.